Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to launch Black Myth Wukong on stream and just crashes or shows black screen, don't worry, I've got a full guide that helped me fix it. And it might work for you too. Let's get started with the benchmark tool. Go to your Steam library, right click on Black Myth Wukong benchmark tool and choose properties. In the general tab, look for the launch option box. Now type this command exactly as shown. DX11 and the hyphen allowed by DX11, no spaces. Click OK to save the changes and launch the benchmark tool. You might see black boxes and screen glitches during the first run, but don't worry, that's expected. Once the benchmark finishes, closes it. Go back to the properties, remove the DX11 command from the launch options and hit OK again. Now relaunch the benchmark tool. This time it should run smoother with no graphical issues or better frame rates. If that fix does not work, here are a few more things to try. Head back to your Steam library, find Black Myth Wukong, click and gear icon and choose properties. Go to the install files and click browse. This opens the game folder. Look for the executable file, probably named something like b1.exe with the game's logo. Right click that file, choose properties, then head to the compatibility tab. Check these two options. Disable full screen optimizations from this program as an administrator. You can also try running it compatibility mode. Sometimes that helps on older systems. Another quick trick. When the game is trying to launch, press Alt plus Tab to force it to switch windows. Still having issues? Try verifying the game files. Back in Steam, right-click on Black Myth Wukong, go to Properties, then Install Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let it finish. This might trigger an update or patch. That's the full guide I used to get the benchmark tool working again. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you or if you found another solution. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.